Do you want to enjoy fresh, healthy juice at home? A slow juicer helps you extract more nutrients from fruits and vegetables by pressing them gently. It's perfect for making tasty, natural drinks full of vitamins. If you are looking for the best slow juicer available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the Cuisinart CSJ-300. The Cuisinart CSJ-300 Slow Juicer is a reliable and efficient option for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, homemade juices packed with nutrients. Its sleek black and gray design, paired with a durable metal build, ensures both style and longevity. With dimensions that make it compact yet functional, this juicer can easily fit into any kitchen setup. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart CSJ-300 is its masticating technology, which slowly presses fruits, vegetables, nuts, and greens to extract maximum juice while preserving nutrients. This process ensures that your beverages retain their vibrant flavors and health benefits. The mesh-free filter design is a thoughtful addition, simplifying the cleaning process and making maintenance hassle-free. Plus, the removable parts are dishwasher-safe, which adds to its convenience. Despite its impressive performance, this juicer is not without its drawbacks. Due to its slow masticating process, it might take longer to prepare juice compared to centrifugal juicers. Additionally, it requires manual preparation of ingredients, such as cutting produce into smaller pieces to fit into the chute. The 4th product on this list is the Omega Effortless Batch Juicer. The Omega Effortless Batch Juicer is a standout choice for those who value efficiency and versatility in their kitchen appliances. With its impressive 2-liter capacity, this juicer allows you to insert whole fruits and vegetables without the need for tedious chopping. This feature is perfect for busy individuals who want fresh juice without the extra prep time. One of the most appreciated aspects of this juicer is its easy assembly and cleanup. The all-in-one Auger design eliminates the need for multiple parts, making it quick to set up and disassemble. This streamlined design means you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your healthy creations. The Omega Effortless Batch Juicer goes beyond just juices. It's capable of preparing a variety of delicious options, including nut milk and even ice cream. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for those who love experimenting with different recipes. The auto detection mode is another clever feature, automatically adjusting to ensure smooth operation by detecting pressure and shifting between forward and reverse as needed. Additionally, the 60-second memory feature allows you to pause and add ingredients without resetting, providing seamless operation. While the juicer boasts many strengths, its size might be a drawback for smaller kitchens, as it requires ample counter space. Additionally, its innovative features may come with a learning curve for first-time users. Still haven't found the best slow juicer for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Sauna 727 Supreme. The Sauna 727 Supreme is an advanced slow juicer designed for those who value efficiency, versatility, and nutrient-rich juices. Its patented brushless DC motor ensures non-stop operation with ultra-quiet performance and low energy consumption. The auto-reverse feature adds to its convenience, while its lightweight and durable design makes it stand out among competitors. This juicer features a 4-speed masticating system with adjustable speeds ranging from 40 to 120 RPM. The lower speeds are perfect for extracting juice from delicate or fibrous produce with minimal foam and oxidation, while higher speeds efficiently handle liquid-rich fruits like citrus. This flexibility ensures that you get the best results, regardless of the ingredients. The Sauna Supreme juicing system is another highlight, offering unparalleled juice yield. Its heavy-duty auger grinds and presses produce to extract maximum juice. Unique features like a locking juice flap and dual hopper feeding tube make the juicing process faster and more efficient. Additionally, the system includes 3 interchangeable screens for a range of uses, from making silky juices to creating nut butter, sorbets, and even baby food. While the Sauna 727 Supreme excels in performance, it has some drawbacks. Its advanced features and premium accessories might require a slight learning curve for first-time users. Additionally, Its multifunctional design means thorough cleaning is necessary after each use to maintain optimal performance. Despite minor inconveniences, its versatility and performance make it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. The second product on this list is the Kuvings REVO830. The Kuvings REVO830 slow juicer is a game changer for anyone who loves fresh, nutrient-packed juice. Its standout feature is a powerful auger that automatically chops long, fibrous ingredients into the perfect size for juicing. This means you can juice items like celery or leafy greens without extra effort. The 3.5-inch extra-wide feed chute is another great addition, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables, saving you valuable prep time. This juicer also boasts a newly designed base paired with a 240-watt noise reduction motor. It delivers impressive power while staying surprisingly quiet, making it ideal for early mornings or late evenings. The flip gate design makes loading ingredients a breeze, while the low-speed masticating technology ensures your juice retains its maximum nutrients. By eliminating heat and oxidation damage, this technology keeps the juice fresh, healthy, and full of flavor. Cleaning up after juicing is often a chore, but the Kuvings REVO830 simplifies the process. It comes with a strainer cleaning tool and brush, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. While the Kuvings REVO830 has many advantages, it does come with some unique cons. Its size might be an issue for smaller kitchens, as it requires ample counter space. Additionally, its advanced features might feel overwhelming for beginners. Despite minor drawbacks, its innovative design and performance make it a worthy investment for health-conscious individuals. Before we reveal the top slow juicer on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top slow juicer is the Hurom H400. The Hurom H400 slow juicer is a standout choice for anyone looking to incorporate fresh, nutrient-rich juices into their daily routine. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, this juicer boasts an easy clean technology that minimizes cleanup time. The chamber set, featuring a two-part auger, meshes together seamlessly to strain out pulp-free juice, and its detachable parts make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Setting up the Hurom H400 is equally simple, thanks to its streamlined assembly process. The juicer's intuitive design makes it perfect for both seasoned users and beginners, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable juicing experience. Its large self-feeding hopper is another standout feature, allowing you to add more ingredients at once. With a larger opening and inlet, you can keep the juicer running while easily incorporating fruits and vegetables, saving you time and effort. One of the most impressive aspects of the Hurom H400 is its high juice yield. Using a slow squeeze mechanism, the juicer extracts every drop of juice, leaving behind minimal pulp. Additionally, its innovative, strainer-free design eliminates the need for extensive scrubbing, making the entire juicing process even more efficient. While the Hurom H400 excels in many areas, it does have some unique drawbacks. Its slow juicing process, though great for preserving nutrients, might not suit those who are short on time. Additionally, the large hopper size may make it less compact for storage in small kitchens. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.